Today we will see question number 17 on page number 224, Ncert class 11th straight lines chapter. So they are saying find the equation of line which is perpendicular to this line and passing through this. So they have given some line which is this, suppose some line AB, and its equation is provided. Okay, and they're asking there is some line which is perpendicular to this at 90 degree and this line is passing through this point. So you have to find out the equation of this line. Say this is PQ line. Okay, and this is point M which is given. Okay, so for any equation of line we need usually two things. First thing, we need a point. What we need? Two things. Okay, we need point, and second thing we need is slope. The point is given, guys, 1 comma minus 2. Slope we need to extract. So for slope they have given this is perpendicular, so we can get the slope of this line. So x minus 2y plus 3 is 0. So what is the slope of this line, guys? So I will compare it with y is equal to mx plus c. Okay, so let me take 2y that side because y should be positive. So it will be x plus 3 is 2y. Okay, now can I divide by 2 everywhere? Why? Because if I compare with this, y should not have any coefficient. So I'm trying to get rid of this 2 to cancel, and that's it. So I am just writing it other way around. Y is equal to x by 2 plus 3 by 2. Now you compare with this. You have to compare. तो यहाँ से आपको m मिला. If you compare, what is the coefficient of this? It is 1 by 2. Understood? M is coefficient of x, which is here 1 by 2. So I got my slope of this line, guys. This is suppose m1 and this is suppose m2, the slope. So if two lines are perpendicular, the condition was m1 into m2 is minus 1. m1 I got because I'm calling this first line as m1. Okay, m1 I got. So m1 is 1 by 2 into m2 is equal to minus 1. So this 2 will go there. So can I write m2 is equal to minus 2? So I got the slope at least of the given line. Not at least, I already have the point actually, and slope also I got minus 2. So I can just fit in the equation. What is the equation of line, guys? Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1 if the point and slope information is provided. So y minus y1 is what? The given point, minus 2. Right, given point is what? Given point is 1 comma minus 2. This is the given point. So this is x1 and y1. This is treated as x1 and y1. I'm using it here. So y1 is minus 2. So minus of minus 2 is m. M is minus 2. X minus x1 is 1. Okay. So this minus will become plus. So I will get y plus 2 is equal to, this is what? Minus 2x, and minus will become plus 2. Okay. Now 2x I will bring here. Okay. And both side, see, this is 2, this is plus 2. So both will cancel 2. So I am getting y plus 2x is equal to 0. This is my equation because this minus 2x is coming here, so it will become plus. So this is my answer. So what information I am using here? One thing, this line I am using to get the slope of PQ line, and the point is already provided. If I know the slope, I know the point, so I am using the point slope form equation, which is this. Okay, let's do one more question, number 18th. This one you will find on page number 227 on Ncert book. Okay, so they are saying find the distance of this point from this line. Okay, for this let me explain you one formula that you should know is, if any line is given a standard, suppose ax plus by plus c is 0, I told you this type of equation is always equation of line. There should be no x square term, there should be no y square term. If there is x square and y square, then it won't be a line. It might be a circle or parabola that we will study next chapter. So here, this is the line, and they have some point, say x1, y1, and we are interested the length of the perpendicular, not the equation. Keep in mind, only the distance from this point to the line, the perpendicular distance. Remember, we are not interested in equation, just how much far it is, the distance between point and the line. So that formula is given, guys. D is equal to, please write it down in your notebook, ax1 by1 plus c by root of a square plus b square. And in the end, you have to put a mod here, okay, because the distance should always come at positive. See, mod is nothing. Mod is a kind of wall which is making sure that whatever is inside, if it comes out and becomes positive, okay. So this is x1, y1. So we have to put, instead of x, we have to put x1, ax1, and instead of y, we have to put y1, by1 plus c by a square plus b square root. This is the formula. Understood? Okay, now I will apply this in my question. So in my question, my line is what? 3x minus 4y minus 26, 0. And my point is 3 comma minus 5. Okay, so I'm just fitting these values, this value in this. So what will be the distance? ax1 means the same equation, only x1 and y1 you will fit here. So 3 into x1 is 3 minus 4 into y1, this is y1, correct? Minus of 5 minus 26 by root of a square b square. So a and b I have to pick up from here, yani ki from here. So what is a? 3. What is b? Minus 4, correct? So let me write down. So my a here is 3 square and this is minus 4 square. This is minus 4. Keep that in mind, okay? And mod. Don't forget this mod, guys, okay? So this will be 3 3s are 9 minus this minus is plus. 4 5s are should be 20. Then minus 26 mod by root of 9 plus, if minus in square becomes plus, right? 4 square. If it is even power, it becomes plus, odd power becomes minus. So I'm getting this, okay? So if I solve it, guys, what I will get is, I'm sorry, this was minus becoming plus. So this will become minus 3 by 5 mod. So mod means 3, you can come out but become positive. So plus 3 by 5. Okay, so this is my distance between two lines. You can say units. So I'm sorry, this minus came out, it became plus 3 by 5 and distance became 3 by 5. Okay, so I hope you understood. So this distance is nothing but 3 by 5 units. Units means it could be centimeter or meter depending on your question given. Just one last question, guys. They are saying find the distance between the lines 3x 4y plus 7 and 3x minus 4y plus 5. So first thing I wanted to tell you, if two lines are given, you should first observe whether they are parallel or just random lines. You see, they have already given in question the lines are parallel. Okay, I purposely removed this bird to show you how to judge that lines are already parallel. If the coefficients of x and coefficients of y are equal, then lines are for sure parallel. Okay, if there are two lines, suppose they have given ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, and second is also ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Only c1 and c2, c part is different, but coefficient of x and coefficient of y are equal, then for sure they are parallel. So by looking at equation, I can tell they are parallel lines. Okay. So what we will do here is, okay, if we are interested to find the distance between them, so this is given by c1 minus c2 by root of a square plus b square, and this is taken as mod. Please write down this formula. These formulas are very important. So based on this, you might get direct question. So here is the question. Two lines are given. So let me write down. 3x minus 4y plus 7 is 0. Next is 3x minus 4y plus 5 is 0. So if I compare this with first and this with second, so clearly C1 is 7 and C2 is 5. Okay. And if I compare A and B are same in both. This is A, this is B. This is A, this is B. Okay, let me write down. A is 3 and B is minus 4. And it is same in both. Okay, so I have to write only once. So let me fit these values in the formula. So I will get D is equal to C1 minus C2, 7 minus 5 mod by A square plus B square. So 3 square plus minus 4 square under root. What is 7 minus 5, guys? Everybody knows is mod of 2. And this is 9 plus 16 root. So this is what? 9 plus 16 is 25. So this is root of 25. And when mod 2 will come out, it's already positive, right? So it will come as it is out, and root of it is this. So this is your answer. Okay, the distance between the given two lines is 2 by 5 units. Okay, see you in next video. I will solve the whole exercise 10.2. Sorry, 10.3. If you do with me, I can guarantee you can question from any exercise, any book. See 10.3 straight lines. The question 1 says, reduce following equations into slope intercept form. So guys, there are 5 forms of equations. Let me introduce you. The first form is y is equal to mx plus c, which is slope intercept form. Okay, please make notes of this. Second form is y minus y1 m into x minus x1. So this is called, guys, one point is given and slope is given. So this is called point slope form. Okay. Next, third one is y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. So here 2 points will be provided. So this is called 2-point form. Okay. Fourth one is intercept form. Only intercept. Slope intercept is this, and this is only intercept form. Okay, guys. And there is last one, x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p. This is called normal form. Okay, all these forms should be on tips. So today I will convert everything into first form. So please write down all these forms in your formula notebook, and I will use this today. Okay, so to convert this into this form, what should I do? I should keep only y this side. So I will put 7y minus x plus 0. This x going this side, so it will become minus. Now I need 1 only. Coefficient of y should be 1. So I am dividing by 7 everywhere so that I can get rid of this 7. So what I got is y is equal to minus x. Can I write minus 1 by 7 into x plus 0? Correct. Why? Because I want to compare it with this. If I compare it with this, if you write compare, so what I will get? Guys, I will get m is equal to minus 1 by 7 and c is equal to 0. So this is my line, slope and intercept. Now part B says, B is also pretty simple. 6x plus 3y minus 5 is 0. So I have to keep only y this side. So I will keep 3y is equal to minus 6x plus 5. What I did, 6x is going there, this is going there. So 6x became minus, 5 became plus. Now my aim is to compare it with this. With this. So I need alone y, nothing here. So I will divide by 3 so that I can get nothing here. Okay? So it is y is equal to 3 2s are 6. So I am getting minus 2x plus 5 by 3. Just now compare it. What is the step? Compare. So what you are getting is m is equal to minus 2. This is minus 2. And what is c is equal to 5 by 3. What does it mean? Slope is negative and y-intercept positive. Means if you try to plot your line on x and y axis, so negative slope means it looks like this. It is sloping that way. Positive slope means sloping this way. And y-intercept is positive somewhere here. So your line will look like this, and this intercept, this point is 5 by 3 units. Understood? So this is your desired line. So you can see lot of information is hidden in the line equation. The slope, the y-intercept, and even the points from where it is passing through. Let's do C part, guys. C is also very simple. C, they are saying y is equal to 0. Here I want to tell you one thing, guys. Whenever they ask the equation of x-axis is always y is equal to 0. And equation of y-axis is always x is equal to 0. This you should learn as you know your name. Okay. So x-axis is always called as y is equal to 0. And y-axis is always called x is equal to 0. So by looking at it, you can tell that y is equal to 0 is nothing, is x-axis. But we have to convert it into slope-intercept form. So can I write purposely 0 into x plus 0? Why? Because I am planning to compare it with y is equal to mx plus c. So I need these two things. Okay, because x is not there, so I can write 0 into x, which is 0 only, and plus 0 is 0 only. So now compare, m is 0 and c is 0, means the slope is also 0 and there is no y-intercept. So actually this is x